Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Welcome to ReneEnergy.com, where we explore groundbreaking innovations in clean energy and sustainability. Today, we'll delve into an extraordinary possibility: metallic hydrogen as a replacement for lithium-ion batteries. Could this theoretical state of hydrogen revolutionize energy storage and redefine the future of clean energy? Let's dive into the science, potential applications, and challenges. Hydrogen has always been an intriguing element in energy discussions. Its versatility, abundance, and clean-burning nature have made it a cornerstone of sustainable energy technologies. Metallic hydrogen, a hypothesized phase of hydrogen under extreme pressures, represents a new frontier in this journey. Unlike its gaseous, liquid, or solid states, metallic hydrogen is theorized to possess remarkable properties, including superconductivity and unprecedented energy density. Lithium-ion batteries are the backbone of today's energy storage systems, powering everything from smartphones to electric vehicles, EVs. They're efficient, scalable, and widely used, but they're not without drawbacks. Issues like limited energy density, environmental concerns related to lithium mining, and battery degradation over time create challenges in meeting the growing demand for energy storage. This is where metallic hydrogen could step in as a game changer. The first and most compelling reason metallic hydrogen could replace lithium-ion batteries is its theoretical energy density. Scientists predict that metallic hydrogen could store significantly more energy per unit volume than lithium-ion batteries. This high energy density means smaller and lighter batteries, enabling EVs to travel longer distances or allowing renewable energy systems to store larger amounts of electricity in compact spaces. Such advancements would address one of the most significant limitations of current battery technology: range and storage capacity. Another transformative property of metallic hydrogen is its superconductivity at relatively high temperatures. Superconductors conduct electricity without resistance, eliminating energy loss during transmission. If metallic hydrogen can function as a superconductor in battery systems, it could drastically improve efficiency, ensuring that more stored energy is delivered without losses. This would be particularly beneficial for grid-scale energy storage, where efficiency losses can amount to significant economic and environmental costs. Metallic hydrogen also has the potential to make renewable energy systems more reliable. Solar and wind energy generation are intermittent, creating a need for large-scale, long-duration energy storage solutions. Metallic hydrogen's energy density and superconductivity could enable storage systems capable of balancing supply and demand on a 24/7 basis, reducing the reliance on fossil fuel backups and paving the way for entirely renewable grids. Beyond efficiency and capacity, metallic hydrogen could address the sustainability challenges of lithium-ion batteries. The production of lithium-ion batteries requires extensive mining of materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel, which often involves environmental degradation and human rights concerns. By contrast, hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe and can be produced sustainably through methods like electrolysis powered by renewable energy. Transitioning to hydrogen-based energy storage would alleviate the ecological and ethical issues associated with current battery technologies. However, the journey to metallic hydrogen is fraught with challenges. Producing metallic hydrogen requires pressures so extreme they mimic the conditions found in the cores of giant planets like Jupiter. These pressures, often exceeding several million atmospheres, are achieved in laboratory settings using diamond anvil cells. While scientists have made progress in creating metallic hydrogen, stabilizing it at ambient conditions remains elusive. This limitation currently restricts its practical applications. Moreover, the cost of producing metallic hydrogen is currently prohibitive. The specialized equipment and energy required to achieve such extreme pressures make it far more expensive than lithium-ion battery production. Significant advancements in materials science and high-pressure physics are needed to reduce these costs and make metallic hydrogen viable for commercial use. Another consideration is the infrastructure required to support metallic hydrogen systems. Lithium-ion batteries benefit from decades of development and a well-established supply chain. Transitioning to metallic hydrogen would require new manufacturing processes, safety protocols, and distribution networks. While the potential benefits are immense, the initial investment would be substantial. Despite these challenges, the potential of metallic hydrogen is too promising to ignore. Imagine electric vehicles with batteries that weigh half as much but last twice as long. Picture a renewable energy grid that stores vast amounts of energy without significant losses, ensuring a constant supply of clean electricity. Envision a world where energy storage is no longer a limiting factor in the transition to a carbon-free economy. These possibilities make metallic hydrogen one of the most exciting areas of research in energy science today. The path forward involves continued innovation and collaboration. Researchers around the world are exploring ways to stabilize metallic hydrogen and scale its production. Governments and private industries are investing in next-generation energy storage solutions, recognizing the importance of overcoming the limitations of current technologies. Metallic hydrogen may not be ready to replace lithium-ion batteries today, but the groundwork is being laid for its future integration into the energy landscape. At redefine, we believe in exploring bold ideas and fostering discussions that drive the clean energy transition. Metallic hydrogen represents the kind of transformative innovation that could redefine what's possible in energy storage and sustainability. By staying informed and supporting research, we can help accelerate the journey toward these breakthroughs. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of metallic hydrogen and its potential to replace lithium-ion batteries. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in clean energy and sustainability. Together, we can build a future where energy storage is limitless, efficient, and sustainable. Thanks for tuning into the redefine YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.